Hello guys, my name is Julio and I want you to speak Spanish like a pro. Letter L sounds L when combined. For example, Elena, lunes, calor. And here we have a tricky one. Letter L, also called LL or double L, when spelled out, can have three different pronunciations. One is E, for example, llave, lluvia, bella. Another one that's very common as well is like the J in John, was a John. For example, we could say this llave, lluvia, bella. And finally, we can have a third type of pronunciation, very common in Argentina and Uruguay, in which it sounds like sh, as in the word sheep. Llave, lluvia, bella. So these are the three ways we can pronounce letter L. Llave, lluvia, bella, llave, lluvia, bella, llave, lluvia, bella. Now the next letter is Y, and Y has three distinctive sounds. One is E, for example, I, hoy, doy. We could say that this E is also the pronunciation, for example, I could say yo, yogur, ya, but also it can sound like the J in John, so we could say this yo, yogur, ya, and to a lesser extent, it sounds like SH, like sh, as in the word sheep, for example, sho, shogur, sha. This is a typical pronunciation in Argentina and Uruguay, whereas the rest of the world would actually be split in between these two pronunciations, I and J. Yo, yo. Yogur, yogur. Ya, ya.